Hey everyone! Welcome back to GrowWeb SEO, the channel where we simplify SEO for beginners and pros alike. In today's video, I'll show you how to optimize your WordPress website for SEO step by step, so you can rank higher on Google and drive more traffic. Let's dive in. Did you know? WordPress powers more than 40% of all websites on the internet. That means competition is huge. If your WordPress site isn't optimized, you're losing visitors every single day. With the right SEO setup, your blog, business site, or e-commerce store can appear at the top of search results. Step 1. Install a powerful SEO plugin like Yoast SEO or Rank Math. These tools make it super easy to add meta titles, meta descriptions, XML sitemaps, and more without needing coding skills. Step 2. Focus on your on-page SEO. Use your target keyword in the title, first paragraph, and headings. Add internal links to your other blog posts. Use short URLs with keywords like yourdomain.com/WordPress-SEO-tips. Don't forget to add image alt text. It helps search engines understand your visuals. Step 3. Speed matters. Install caching plugins like WP Rocket or W3. Total Cache. Optimize your images using tools like Smush, and choose a reliable hosting provider. Faster websites rank better and keep visitors happy. Step 4. Don't skip technical SEO. Make sure your site has an SSL certificate, HTTPS. Create an XML sitemap, fix broken links with plugins like Broken Link Checker, and submit your site to Google Search Console. If you run a local business, optimize for local SEO. Add your business details in the footer, use local keywords, and connect your WordPress site with your Google Business profile. So to recap, install an SEO plugin. Optimize your content, improve site speed, fix technical SEO issues, work on local SEO if needed. Follow these steps and your WordPress site will start climbing Google rankings in no time. Thanks for watching this WordPress SEO tutorial. If you found it helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to GrowWeb SEO, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future SEO tips. Drop a comment below. Do you use Yoast or Rank Math for your WordPress SEO? Let me know.